The second highest vote getter on our little survey, our poll, was number 7 here. So let's go ahead and run through this. Hopefully when you look at number 7, you realize that you're dealing with a quotient. And so to take the derivative of a quotient, you're going to need to follow the quotient rule. So I'm going to assign the numerator to be my u function and the denominator to be my v function, and then I'll get organized. If u is the cotangent of x, then you have been memorizing these, and you should remember that this derivative is negative cosecant squared of x. Oops, let's make that squared look a little bit better. And we do the same thing with v. v is 1 plus cotangent of x. And again, if you have been memorizing these, you'll know that the derivative of 1 is 0, and the derivative of cotangent of x is negative cosecant squared of x. Once you have those 4 formulas written down, it's just a matter of putting them in the right place in the quotient rule. So my derivative, y prime, you could also write this as dy over dx, right? That means the same thing. The expression is going to be, remember that the quotient rule starts with v, so it's going to be v, which is 1 plus cotangent of x, times the derivative of u, so that's times negative cosecant squared of x, minus u, which is cotangent of x, times v prime, which is negative cosecant squared of x, over v squared, which would be 1 plus cotangent of x quantity squared. And we'll do a little bit of distributing, and we'll get negative cosecant squared x minus cosecant squared x cotangent x plus cosecant squared x cotangent of x. So you can see those two are going to cancel. And then down here it's 1 plus cotangent of x quantity squared. So just by doing a little simplification here, the negative and the positive cancel. And we end up with negative cosecant squared x over 1 plus cotangent of x quantity squared. And we're going to call that good for this derivative. The derivative of cotangent of x over the quantity 1 plus cotangent x is negative cosecant squared x over the quantity 1 plus cotangent of x squared. So there you have it. We ran through the quotient rule and we came up with the derivative. Hopefully this helped you out on number 7, and looking forward to doing more calculus with you soon. See ya.